Cola.
Appalachia Cola, or Appalachicola, or Appalachicola. Depends on where you're from. We're from the south, so we can say Appalachia Cola.
Appalachicola. We hear they have good oysters and cold beer, so we're going.
Appalachicola.
Okay, it's Friday morning. We're leaving Alachua. Here's our route. We'll be heading to Mayo, Perry, and stop at St. Mart's, get something to eat, and on over to Appalachicola.
I didn't feel you stop until I turned around. It's like, oh, okay, there you are.
But I was thinking like we're going to turn into that.
Yeah, I figured.
Here we're at the Riverside Cafe in St. Mart's. Really nice, right on the river. We just came this out back at a restaurant and they got a little dock. I walked back there taking a little video. We went ahead and got something to eat, and we're more than halfway now on our trip. Just a nice day. A little bit overcast, but no rain.
On the Chattahoochee, never knew how much that muddy water meant to me. But I learned how to swim and I learned who I was. A lot about living and a little about love. Well, we fogged up the windows in my old Chevy. I was willing, but she wasn't ready, so I settled for a burger and a grape snow cone. I dropped her off early, but I didn't go home. Down by the river on a Friday night, a pyramid of cans in the pale moonlight.
This is Carabelle.
Yep, 198.
Yep.
Oh, here comes Steve and Joe.
Well, way down yonder on the Chattahoochee.
Cola comes in right across the street from Chestnut Street Cemetery, where we know there's lots of people.
Our peeps are over there.
Yeah.
Having fun, baby? What's today?
Friday.
Haven't even checked in yet, have we?
Big line over here.
Piggly Wiggly had a great assortment of wines. What kind of wines?
Imported by, we gotta get it. Imported by the Grateful
I
Palate.
get this.
Show
I'll
it
get
up and show it up. I mean, flip it up. Oh,
Biatch.
Well, that's what it says on the back. See, it goes bitch, 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 bitch.
We'll be bitching. Friday night, here we're at Magnolia Grill. Had a great meal. Here we are inside. And the next clip you'll see is Saturday morning. We're getting ready to make a neat little trip through the forest. I think we're going to travel approximately 130 miles. Here's a map to give you an idea of what we did for our trip. We went through the forest, and this time I had the zoom on most of the time, so I didn't get much video until after we made our first stop. Real nice roads, though. I'm not even going to try with the name, but here we're in the forest, and tell you, we love meeting people, and here's another person we meet along the way.
You're not running from the law or anything.
No. I ain't saying I ain't broke the damn law, but I ain't running from them.
You broke the law, you haven't done it right.
You know, but the lady I got that.
Day after day, I'm more confused. Yet I look for the light through the pouring rain.
Still on County Road 67, heading
So
south.
that's a game that I hate to lose. I'm feeling the strain. a shame. Oh, give me the beat, boys, and free my
Windy going over that bridge?
It was very windy.
Did you like it?
Not really. Did you?
You kidding? Saturday afternoon after our trip, here we are downtown Apalachicola. Okay, we're on explore mode and it's time for, you got it, a cold beer. Like I said, we love meeting people, and here we learn about worm grunting. I'll have to put a link on our
They rub
website.
across it, makes a grunting sound, and it vibrates and the worms come
Draws
out.
the worms out.
Y'all should, we have a hell of a festival. This is incredible. And
Charles Perrault actually did
On the road,
we're the worm grunt capital of the world.
Oh, okay.
Officially.
Because I've never heard of worm grunt.
And we're the Worm Grunt t-shirt sales.
Yes, we are. I'm vice president of the organization. My sister was queen 2 years ago, but only because she pissed me off. Just to me. That's how she ended up being queen.
Now, y'all don't mind us putting you on tape, do you?
No, we actually, I like it. I'm going to see you on Monday.
That's
She loves it.
We have consent on tape, so, you know.
You got it for me.
We might have given him a camera and let him do the worm grunt festival.
Look, we put the lights out.
There you go.
Where would you the lights went out?
Not inside.
Yep. Walking in the rain. You know, I'm sitting here editing this tape, trying to put it together. And you know what? I think with the last 5 trips we've made, we've had rain every time. We're dry, kinda. What you doing, baby?
I'm sitting in the dark, just, you know, what to eat, and probably when I decide to eat, they're not gonna have.
Where are we at?
Because the lights are out. The Owl Restaurant.
Hey,
Hey,
owls can see in the dark.
that's right.
That's true.
Anything to say, Jill?
No, we can't decide how much we're gonna eat. We've been eating our way through Apalachicola.
Literally.
Yes, and drinking.
And drinking, yes.
Anything else, Steve?
And what have you been doing?
No, the lights are out. I'm going to scare you.
Here, there's Mikey.
And we're just getting started. Really shocked. Right here. And
I can't stand the rain against my window.
looks like it's gonna be yellow glasses today. Come on, fellas. Come on, Steve. What's that?
Stuck in Apalachicola because there's this big weather front. Looks like a big kidney. Looks like my sock, about this big. I'm the Gulf of Mexico. It's like right here. This is Florida. See, this is Florida. Right here, it's coming in. It's gonna kick our butt. So we are staying another night. We got wine. We got crackers and cheese. We got a beautiful house. Good friends. We're staying.
And we're dry.
Yeah, we're high and dry. We're on the second floor, high and dry.
That's right.
And they got what? 9 more people coming over here on bikes?
From Ferry.
They're gonna be
Right.
wet. Yeah, right now, trying to get over here.
Really wet.
Yeah. This is our room. We'll be staying right now.
Against my window,
Lighting.
bringing back sweet memories.
I'm on film a little.
Against my window, 'cause he ain't keeping me.
What's the name of this place, Marsh?
This is the Coombs house.
Coons?
Coombs.
Coons.
Coombs.
And where are we going now?
To the Gorman house.
Okay.
Smell the heat in the water. Hey, Mikey.
Hey, Joe.
We gonna hang around and have much cold for another day? The weather just said stay put, so we are.
Here we're at the Orman House, and we had Ranger Mike, and I'll tell you, Ranger Mike, we really appreciate the tour. It
Parts
was
of the
great.
house that originally wasn't even attached to the house. If you look at the house from the back, there's a single story. It's as many as 3 different buildings were brought up at different points in time and added together to form the back single story of the house. The original house just had 4 rooms. It had a living room, a dining room, and 2 upstairs bedrooms. Everything else was done in outbuildings, including the cooking, and you're actually standing in one of the old summer kitchens. So this section of the house used to sit about 15 to 20 feet behind the house and was brought up at a much later date. Of course, they didn't attach kitchens to houses in the 1800s. Too great a risk of fire. And if you could imagine the heat generated by a kitchen in these climates, it would have made the house unbearable.
Yeah.
This is actually the house in about 1982. Now, the lady who still lived here wasn't a wealthy woman by any means, Mrs. Andrews. She actually lived in the back of the house, or what we're calling a summer kitchen. Mrs. Andrews was actually a distant Orman relative, which means we had continuous family occupation for 156 years since 1838. She sold the house in 1994 to the Gadrys, who did some major restoration work on the house and turned it into a bed and breakfast called Magnolia Hall.
We're still at the Orman House here. And Sunday, we didn't make it home because of the rain, but we did do a lot of exploring. This was close by to the bed and breakfast. And here's the people from Pennsylvania. They finally made it from Perry's. We caught them outside of Boss Oyster. And here we are Monday morning. Everybody taking off. It was great meeting these folks. Hope they had a good trip, and we did. And here you can see them heading their way. They're heading west, and we're getting ready to head east here.
Go home. We were very sad, but we had a great time. Till next time, ride safe.
It's time to go home.
Yeah, you know, God kept us here another day, so He's finally sending us home. We got to go back to the old salt mines and work, so see you next trip.
Reality. We got to pay for the next trip. Back to work we go. So this is what it feels like having a damn camera on you. I don't like that.
Yeah,
Hey,
but you're
I need to get back behind that thing.
umbilically attached, buddy.
I know I am. My little dog
Got a
leash.
little dog leash up to it there. All right, the girls are mounted. Here's your camera back.
I hate bridges.
Love's like a road that you travel on when there's one day here and the next day gone. Sometimes you bend, sometimes you stand, sometimes you turn your back to the wind. There's a world outside the darkened door where blues won't haunt you anymore. With a brave heart free and lover's soul, come ride with me to the distant shore. We won't hesitate, break down the garden gate. There's not much time left today. Life is a highway, I wanna ride it all night long. If you're going my way, I wanna drive it all night long. a misunderstanding once, but now we're looking in the eye. There ain't no law that I can't hold, road so rough, this I know.
On our way home, we're going to stop by Steinhatchee, and this is our route we're going to take, about 102 miles.
I got a little change in my pocket going jingle-lang-a-lang. Wants to call you on the telephone, baby. I give you a ring, but each time we talk, I get the same old thing. Always no huggy, no kissy until I get a wedding ring. My honey, my baby, don't put my love upon no shelf. She said, don't give me no lines and keep your hands to yourself. Baby, 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 why you wanna treat this way? You know I'm still your lover boy. I still feel the same way. That's when she told me the story about free milk and a cow, and said no huggy, no kissy until I get a wedding vow. My honey, my baby, don't put my love upon no shelf. She said don't hand me no lines and keep your hands to yourself.
We're in Steinhatchee, Florida. Just kind of looking at the water.
Taking a long way home. Marcy?
Over here. You see, I wanted her real bad, and I was about to give in. And that's when she started talking about true love, started talking about sin. I said, honey, I'll live with you for the rest of my life. She said, no huggy, no kissy until you make me your wife. My honey, my baby, don't put my love on no shelf. She said, don't hand me no lines and keep your hands to yourself.
Well, here we are in the fair metropolis of Newberry in the last leg of our trip. We hate for it to end.
Yep.
New bar.